What's your perception of Iran? You might think that everything here is different from what you see in the media. Today, we're going to take a close look at Tehran, the capital of Iran, and uncover the secrets of this fascinating city. Join me on this journey. Tehran, the capital of Iran, is a vibrant city full of contrasts. From its bustling streets to the beautiful Alborz mountains that lie behind it, this city has always been a crossroads between tradition and modernity. One of the most fascinating aspects of Tehran is the daily life of its people. Here, you'll see how, despite the challenges, people strive to build their lives from morning till night. From the bustling markets to the streets that never sleep, life here is always in motion. In Tehran, like many other large cities, people face various economic and social challenges that affect their daily lives. One of the biggest issues is unemployment, which has become a major problem for many young people in Tehran. Finding a suitable job, especially for graduates, is a difficult task, and this has led many individuals to turn to informal jobs or freelance work. Along with unemployment, inflation has also become a significant challenge, putting daily life under pressure. The rising prices, especially of basic goods, have made it difficult for many families to afford their everyday needs. However, despite these challenges, the people of Tehran strive to live their lives in the best way possible. Many individuals have turned to side jobs and creative solutions, such as online sales, small startups, or home-based businesses, to cope with inflation. Families and local communities in Tehran support each other, and this sense of social solidarity gives people hope and energy. In this way, despite the economic difficulties, the people of Tehran continue to make efforts with strong determination to improve their living conditions. Tehran is full of street food stalls offering traditional and popular Iranian dishes. The bustling food markets and street vendors are a vibrant part of the city's culture. Here, you can find a variety of mouth-watering foods like kebab, a beloved Iranian dish, crispy falafel, and delicious Iranian desserts like baklava. These street foods not only reflect the rich culinary heritage of Iran, but also offer a glimpse into the everyday life of Tehran's residents, who enjoy these quick, flavorful meals while on the go. The markets of Tehran and Iran hold a significant place in the country's culture and history. Traditional markets, such as the Grand Bazaar of Tehran and the Tajrish Bazaar, are not only shopping centers but also places for social interaction and cultural exchange. In these markets, you can find a variety of goods, including handmade carpets, spices, handicrafts, and local products. The lively atmosphere of these markets, combined with the aroma of street food and the voices of vendors, presents a vivid picture of the daily life of Tehran's people. The markets of Tehran are places where tradition and modernity intersect. The Alborz Mountains run along the northern edge of Tehran, offering a stunning backdrop to the city. They are a popular destination for outdoor activities, with hiking trails in summer and skiing resorts like Dizin and Shemshak in winter. The mountains also provide essential water resources for Tehran, as many of the city's rivers originate here. With their snow-capped peaks and close proximity to the urban hustle, the Alborz Mountains offer a perfect blend of nature and city life. Tehran has experienced significant growth and development over the past few decades. The city's population has increased, leading to the expansion of residential and commercial areas, along with major infrastructure projects like the metro and expressways, making it one of the largest and most advanced cities in the Middle East. Along with these developments, Tehran has also seen the construction of modern skyscrapers and shopping complexes, creating a contrast with its historical and cultural fabric. These changes, along with the growth of industries and new businesses, have transformed Tehran into a dynamic and modern city. Despite all the challenges, Tehran remains a city where its people continue to hold hope for the future. Many individuals are striving to bring positive change in various areas, whether socially, economically, or culturally. Entrepreneurs are launching innovative startups, social activists are working to improve local communities, and artists are creating projects that promote cultural awareness and unity. These efforts, despite facing obstacles, show the resilience and determination of Tehran's people to build a better future. The city's vibrant youth, in particular, are passionate about progress and are driving change through creativity and hard work. So far, we've gotten a glimpse of Tehran, but there's so much more of this amazing city to discover. In the upcoming segments, we'll explore the vibrant and bustling markets, the stunning Alborz Mountains, and cozy, lively cafes, all while diving deeper into the lives of the people here. If you want to learn more about Tehran, a city full of energy and contrasts, make sure to stay with me and continue this exciting journey.